This little guy. Look at him go. That's all. This is me learning how to focus. I kind of just literally holding my camera over the lens with my hand, and well, it moves around a lot. But there's some squirmies. Here's another little batch of algae, and this one just had a whole bunch of tiny things kind of swirling around in it, so well, I thought it was interesting. Baby steps, you know. Still trying to figure out how to hold the camera here. It's a worm thing. I was getting a little bit better at holding the camera. Sorry about all the flashing and brightness and not being able to see things, but hey, look, it's a worm. Cute little guy. This is probably the coolest thing I captured so far, except this was early days. This was only like the third time I'd put a camera to this, and oh boy, look at it go, all the flashing, not. But look at that guy. Well, when you can. There he is. Kind of a spirally little thing. And hey, look, it's a bubble. He walks up to it and says, huh, it's a bubble. Hey, a visitor. Hello, guy. It's the space cucumber. Really not sure what this is. It almost looks like it was broken, but that might just be stuff. On either end were these little clear bits with these tiny little balls rolling around inside. You could kind of sort of see them when you can see them and the focus is right. It was tricky. And finally, I put the camera in the mount that's supposed to hold the camera. It's better than me holding it with my hand. Oh, look at there. There's a quick flash to from 40 times to 100 times. And this little guy kind of learning how to focus and move left and right all at the same time. I was kind of impressed with how crisp and clear this guy came out. He looks good. Oh, I lost him. Where did he go? Ooh, look at this guy. I've seen a few of these so far. This is the first one I got to film. And hey, look, he's got a buddy. There's two of them there. We're going to follow this one. And at this point, this is the last clip. This is as good as it gets. This is kind of the best one I got so far. I'm just going to let you watch. Enjoy. Until next time, hey, have fun.